In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $10,000 or more a month by uploading YouTube Shorts. If you're watching this, you're probably one of the many who are posting on YouTube currently and either getting paid very little or not getting paid much at all. With this strategy that I'm going to be showing you today, making $10,000 or more a month just from YouTube Shorts is very possible. And the best thing is you don't need a ton of subscribers. You can do this with only 0. You don't need to pay for ads, and you do not need to make 1,001 YouTube Shorts. And if you stick around to the very end of the video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can monetize your YouTube Shorts to make way more than only $10,000 a month.
We are here to make money!
And many YouTube creators aren't doing this. First and foremost, YouTube has really been pushing their YouTube Shorts algorithm quite heavily. First off, since YouTube has released Shorts in the past couple years, they have been very heavily pushing them, even changing their algorithm to favor Shorts since supply does not meet demand. In fact, back in August of 2021, YouTube actually injected an extra $100 million into the YouTube Shorts Creator Fund.
That's a whole lot of zeros.
However, in order to get involved in the YouTube Shorts Creator Fund, there's a few criteria you do need to be following. First off is you need to make sure that your YouTube Shorts are not violating any of the guidelines. And you need to make sure you've been uploading in the past 180 days. Seems pretty easy, right? You need to make sure that your YouTube Shorts do not have any watermarks whatsoever. Because I know it's very common that you'll hop on TikTok and you'll simply make something there and then you'll just download it and re-upload it to YouTube Shorts, but you don't know that TikTok has a watermark that they put on their downloaded TikTok. So you'll actually use something like tickmate.app to download your high quality videos and to make sure that there is no watermark. Because Instagram has eyes too, and they look for that kind of stuff, and it will definitely affect your reach in the algorithm.
I'm hoping to extract an algorithm to define their movement.
Remember, their algorithm is smart. It can sense it. Yeah, get to the point. What else do I need to do? You as a content creator should be posting YouTube Shorts at least 1 to 2 times every single day. And remember, the key here with YouTube Shorts is actually contrary to what you do with long form content. Don't focus on quality too much. Instead, you want to focus out on quantity, pumping out as much as you can. Now, that doesn't mean just posting garbage. It means still staying within the confines of what your audience considers quality content from you. But what I'm telling you not to do is to spend hours upon hours creating a single short. Remember that with YouTube Shorts, you want to have the mentality of churn and burn. And if you actually go on YouTube or TikTok and you look at some of these short form videos, a lot of them are very amateurish. Amateur in the context, they're not shot on a high DSLR camera, they're not professionally edited, it's just thrown together and thrown up on YouTube. And since we are aiming for virality, you want to have 3 of these things. The first one is a strong hook in the first 5 to 10 seconds. A hook is what essentially grabs hold of the viewer and forces them to watch all the way through in anticipation.
Whoa. Here I come. Oh, here I come. Oh.
A hook could be exactly like what you saw at the very beginning of this video. I'm gonna show you how to make $10,000 every single month with YouTube Shorts. I'm gonna show you how to build a house in just 30 days. I'm gonna show you the 3 secrets nobody talks about to investing in Bitcoin. See what I'm talking about? Those are all great examples of hooks. You're not wasting anybody's time, you're not adding fluff, you are telling them exactly what they need to know and why they clicked on your video, but ultimately grabbing hold of their attention so you can drag them through your video. And while we're on the topic of your video, you also need to employ good storytelling. As complex as that might sound, think of just taking them on a journey that leads them to the end of the video. If you want to take this and put it into practice, it just means don't let there be a single dull moment in the video. A single dull moment in the video. And third, you want to make sure that at the end of your video, you have a call to action or a CTA. A call to action needs to be specific and upfront. It needs to be follow me for more tips how to make money online. Follow me if you want to know what the best cryptocurrency is right now. You see what I'm saying? I'm not just saying follow me for more. I'm giving my audience a very specific reason to follow me, and you need to do the exact same. And of course, last but not least, once you have your video all nice and wrapped up with a little bow, you need to be using a good, strong title. But wait, what makes a good title?
Wait a minute.
Well, for example, let's check out Mr. Beast. As we can see here, many of his titles are very to the point, punchy, and it makes you have to click. Your title should be clickbait to an extent, but not deceptive. Your titles need to be so good that it makes the person just, they have to click your video. They cannot click away because they have to know what's in it. Whoa, here, hold on a second. You're losing me here. How does YouTube pay you for the Shorts Fund? I don't get it. If chosen by YouTube, they will offer you a bonus to claim by the end of the month around the 25th. If you do not claim this bonus by the 25th, you can go ahead and kiss it. Goodbye. and it is completely by random. Generally though, YouTube is favoring creators who bring in a lot of views to their shorts, like 500,000, if not close to 1 million. So chances are if you have a YouTube short that is taken off and is garnering that much viewership, chances are you'll probably be picked. And it doesn't matter if you made a shorts this month, last month, January, December, July, if you made a post that is getting that kind of viewership, you will be most likely picked at some point or another. And now, because you waited so patiently, are you ready to learn how you can make bank from YouTube Shorts? Are you sure? Affiliate marketing. From day one, you could be joining websites like clickbank.com, JVZoo, or Digistore24. You can simply find affiliate offers to offer your audience in your niche, but more importantly, you need to find products that solve a problem. Unless you're in entertainment, most audiences have some sort of problem. And if they don't have a specific problem, you could always look into the health, wealth, and relationships. Because everybody wants money, everybody wants to have good health, and everybody wants to be loved. So the more general offers will apply to everybody. Granted, your conversions will be lower, but still. You don't want to just go ahead and smack your audience with a product they might be only somewhat interested in. For example, let's say you had a YouTube channel on wild animals, and you offered your audience a dog training course. Well, it wouldn't really make sense, would it? Think of it. Your goal as a content creator in general is to solve problems.
I'm Winston Wolfe. I solve problems.
Whether that's offering a solution like a course or a digital product or an affiliate offer, or simply answering questions within your own video or YouTube shorts. This, my friend, is how you garner a world of trust, authority, and happiness. And to make this work, we'll use your description box, your whole world or oyster to, that analogy isn't really working. Look, the point is you can do so many things with your description box. I'd recommend telling the user a little bit about your video at the very top in just a couple short, sweet sentences, using some keywords here and there. Then use the bottom portion to get them to follow you, to go to your other socials, maybe check out a course you have to offer, an affiliate product or two. And then I would post about 5 or 10 different affiliate offers you can just cram in there. Oh, and I wanted to mention, you should also be using a link shortening service like bit.ly, so that way you can shorten these massively long affiliate links that seem to go on forever and ever. So I recommend smacking about 5 or 10 of those bad boys in your description box that do pertain to your audience, but ultimately that pertains to a problem. For example, let's say I'm in the dog niche. I could have 5 to 10 affiliate offers of maybe puppy training programs or dog training guides, something that is going to speak to my audience of a potential problem they have. Maybe I'm talking about cryptocurrency, and in my description, I have 5 to 10 affiliate offers that tell you about which cryptocurrency to invest in, or why and when Bitcoin is best to buy and sell, or the ultimate Bitcoin flipping strategies. I don't know. And to reiterate what I told you already, start by uploading 1 or 2 shorts a day, and you'll start to see them clicks rolling in. Okay, I won't do that again. That was cringy. Do you want to take it to the next level? Sign up for an auto-responding service like Aweber or MailChimp, then build yourself a landing page where you can then give away a free gift or service to somebody in exchange for their email. This is called building a list, and it is marketing 101. What this is going to do is to allow you to build a list full of people who enjoy you and your content, and you can just send them affiliate offers, you can send them value, you can engage with your audience. This is how you press a button in your sleep and make $10,000. Story time. When I was about 23 years old, I first got into internet marketing, and I had heard people tell me all about start building a list, start a blog, build a list, and I didn't listen. I blew it off because I wanted to try everything because I had shiny golden object syndrome. And in fact, it would take me almost 8 years before I would finally start to build a list. And wouldn't you know it, in the first week, I made $400. But seriously, it's incredibly powerful when you actually start to utilize a list and the power that it holds and how you can make so much money. So if you really think about it, $10,000 is just scraping the surface. Yeah, that's a great number you can get to, but there's some of these guys out here that are using YouTube and YouTube Shorts and are making 6 figures in a month just from building a list, just from selling courses, just from selling affiliate products, yada, 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 yada. It's incredibly powerful if you know what I'm saying. And while that's good and gravy and all, how are you going to make sure that people actually want to see your content? This is why we go on YouTube and we look for trending content. You can simply pull up YouTube and type in your keyword for your niche, and YouTube does a pretty good job of showing you off the bat without any filters on what's currently working right now very well in your niche. And all you need to do is simply just take those topics that are popping up and turn them into short form content. For example, if I type in woodworking and a bunch of videos pop up about beginner tutorials and tips, that tells me right off the bat that if I'm in that niche and I make a YouTube short about beginner tips or tricks, it's probably going to do pretty well, instead of me just trying to do some stab guesswork over here. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to go ahead and give it a like and a comment down below, and stay tuned because I got a bunch of more content coming your way.